Hello everyone. I am from study program management learning to C. I am here to present my achievement and reply forex debt. Forex debt background. The economic development of a country must be supported the availability of economic resources, but natural resources, human resources, and capital resources which are productive. Limited economic resources of the country, in particular capital resources, requires the government to bring economic resources from other countries to be able to provide substantial support for program implementation national economic development. However, the receipt of these foreign loans can cause problems in the long run, either economics and politics, even in some countries which is growing into a burden that seems to be nothing related with actually causes a decrease in the level of welfare of the people. Definition and background of forex debt. Forex debt is forex aid or loan provided by the government of developed countries or international bodies specifically created for profit, plans with an obligation to repay and pay interest on the loan. The goal in to curb the started of net investment financing and to finance the deficit correct upon the length of payment in the context of financing international transactions to that the position of foreign exchange reserves is not disturbed. Sources of forex loans in development in Asia that is 1. World Bank, 2. Asian Development Bank, 3. Consultative Group on Indonesia, 4. Loans outside IDBI or CBI, 5. Other loans or credit. Basic principles of obtain foreign loans. Loans reserved must be long term with term namely the condition that can still be met normally and reasonably. The loans reserved is not accompanied by any political fees and based on the principle of mutual benefit in a reasonable manner. The amount and term of the loan are adjusted to, the ability limit to pay back and not incur too much burdensome on the balance of the user and withdrawal of loan must be clear and the creditor is canal to have good reputation. There is a need for diversification of sources and farmland. The user of land is not restricted to import of goods or service from countries lenders only, but shall be free to use for import interest from other countries. The influence of forex in Indonesia in the long term, it's turned out that forex can cause economic problems in many countries. Sector. In addition to the economic burden that must be acceptable at the time of repayment, also the psychological burden political that must be accepted the, the debtor country as a result dependence on correct act development and external that the pro and problems counter. The pro view says that forex has been proven profit meaningful contribution to the development of developing countries. Will the opposing views in the opinion corrected is actually great new dependencies, both implication, but economic and political impact of forex debt in terms of effectiveness internally. Forex debt is hampering the growth of the country economic independence and the trigger for its contraction of social spending, tackling people welfare and widening gap. Externally, forex debt is the trigger for the increase the country's dependence on foreign capital and on the creation of external debt country in a sustainable manner. Institutional side multilateral financial institutions are believed to have worked as an arm of the first world countries. Their major shareholders to intervene in countries' growth. The ideological freedom collective is believed to have been used by countries' lenders, especially American, as a means to spread neoliberal capitalism throughout the world. In terms of social and political implications, forex as a means of deliberately developed the lending countries to intervene in borrowing countries. Below is a diagram of forex debt. Indonesia forex debt in 2017 was 11 billion. In 2018, it was 15 billion. In 2019, it was 20 billion, and 2020 it was 30 billion. From 2017 until 2020, the level of forex debt is increasing every year, so that Indonesian forex debt is getting more and more. That, that's all my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and